Ito yung sa akin, where did you meet? Ang tinanong sa akin was, where did you meet? We met on a dating site and then he said, what was the name of the dating site? Tinanong pala yun. What is the name of the dating site? And then I said, Filipino Cupid. Ayan. So next question, how long have you known each other? So how long have you known each other ba? Kami, you can say, we've known each other for 3 years. We've known each other for 4 years. We've known each other for 2 years and a half. We've known each other for 8 months now. Ganyan. Be very honest. And then next is, when was the first time and the last time you saw each other? Ito yung tinanong sa akin. And I answered, the first time, medyo nag-stutter ako this time kasi parang na-mental block ako and I said, sorry. Ganito talaga. It's okay if you get stuttered.